There's Linus, my buddy. I'm gonna give him one of my new. Give him one of my new treats that I make. They're chicharrones for dogs. I used to buy these rawhide bones or rawhide chews for Linus, and he'd chew them for 10-15 minutes, and then I'd have all these rawhides sitting around the house. So I decided to flavor them and bake them, and he loves these things, and I have nothing to throw away now. So, but anyways, he's my buddy. He's my taste tester, and I think I got a new business idea. Okay. Nice. He hates the camera. Linus! Okay, bye.